Hey, are you looking for a couple of quick and easy ways to dramatically increase your health and fitness while living in a small space like an RV or an apartment? Well, I'm Shar, and this is YTV's Food and Fitness Friday. My husband Phil and I have been living full-time in an RV for over 4 years. And if you've ever joined us on a YTV project, you know that we like to start our days by doing some group walks and workouts. But what do you do if you're on your own, if you're parked in a campground, if you don't have that group momentum carrying you along? Well, today I'm going to give you 2 quick tips that you can start doing today to help you get healthier. Tip number 1, water. Our bodies need water to properly function. As a matter of fact, the body is made up of almost 75% water. So your brain, your organs, your joints all need water to function. Now, the liver has about 500 jobs, but one of its most important jobs is to regulate metabolism. However, if the kidneys are not properly functioning because you're not hydrated, then the liver is going to help the kidneys with all those filtration services that it does on the body, and it won't be focusing on what it should be, which is metabolism. So just by increasing your water intake, this will allow your kidneys to do what they're supposed to do so that the liver can do what it's supposed to do and keep that metabolism running strong. Next question is, how much water should you be drinking? As a general rule, you want to take your body weight divided by 2, and that is the number of ounces that you should be drinking every day. So if you're 200 pounds, you need about 100 ounces of water. But remember, if you're doing a lot of physical exertion, if you're outdoors a lot, if you are sweating a lot, you need to replace the fluids that you're losing in addition to the other ounces of water that you should be drinking. Now, what if you're one of those people that doesn't like water? It's just boring, it's dull, it's bland, you don't like it. Well, you can add electrolyte packets to your water. You don't want any with caffeine or anything like that. You just want to add the added electrolytes. You can get these anywhere. Walmart, Costco, Sam's Club, even Amazon has it. But this will allow your water to taste better and has electrolytes in it, so that way the fluids are going to be more properly used in your body. Once you start drinking more water, you're going to notice you're going to start to feel better. Everything is going to be flowing more smoothly. You're going to notice that your resting heart rate is lower because your body's not working so hard to just regularly do its normal functioning. So start drinking water so that you can start to feel better right now. Tip number 2, walk. Walking is the fastest, easiest thing that you can do starting right now to start living a healthier lifestyle. You don't need any special equipment. Just strap on your shoes and go. Did you know that the #1 cause of chronic disease is having a sedentary lifestyle, just not moving enough? When you walk, it increases your heart rate. When your heart rate goes up, your metabolism goes up. When your metabolism goes up, you're burning more calories. You don't need to start looking at your diet yet. You don't need to start changing anything. You don't need to eat rabbit food like carrots and celery. Just start moving. Walking a few more steps today than you did yesterday and keep growing and increasing is going to help you get more healthy and fit starting right now. Now, in a perfect world, you should be walking about 30 minutes a day, but don't stress out over that. If you don't have 30 minutes, no worries. Just do it 10 minutes 3 times a day. Can't do 10 minutes? Do 5 minutes 6 times a day. Any type of extra movement that gets your body going is going to help you feel healthier and be healthier. Here are 3 quick tips on how you can start getting in more steps each and every day. Number 1, walk your trash to the dumpsters. Don't put it on the hood of your car and drive it. I don't care how far away it is. Grab your trash and walk it to the trash can. That right there is going to add a whole bunch of steps to your regular day. Number 2, park further out in the parking lot. If you're going to the store, if you're going to go shopping, don't park closest to the doors. Park further away. The more steps you get in, the better and more healthier you're going to be. 3, get yourself a Fitbit or a watch that counts your steps. As soon as you know how many steps you're doing or how many you're not doing, you're going to start wanting to move more. So just utilize your step counters on your watch, or get a Fitbit or something along those lines to make sure that you can count how many steps you're actually doing in a day. And if you don't want to go buy anything additional, don't worry about it. Set your alarm for once an hour, and every time it goes off, get up and just walk a couple of laps. Walk up and down the length of your RV. Walk around the living room of your apartment. Get outside and walk a lap around your campground. All of those things are just going to help you get a little bit more activity going in your life, and those are going to make you feel a whole lot better. And before you know it, you're going to be a healthier and fit you. Okay, that's it for this Food and Fitness Friday. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Be sure to tune back in on Friday so you can get more food and fitness tips so that you can stay healthy and fit in a small space.